I am going to show you how to do this double crochet ripple stitch Afghan. I did this with a single crochet. It's one of my most popular videos that I have on my channel. So I used the same pattern except for I had to adjust it because it's double crochet. I used an H hook, medium worsted, impeccable yarn. The pattern is listed down below. I used about 2 skeins of each color. You can adjust the hook size if you'd like it bigger. I also used the chain of 252, which is the biggest, but you can scale it down, and so the numbers that you can use are 126, 147, or 168, or 189, which will make the Afghan smaller. I did use 6 sets of 3 rows, and it measured, once it was finished, it measured around 70 inches by 70 inches, like 68 inches. So it's a pretty big Afghan when you do it in the double crochet. So if you want to scale it down, you could go as low as 126. I didn't measure those chains, so if you chained like 126 and worked your double crochet, you could measure it with measuring tape. So this, like I said, the pattern is listed down below, and I'm going to show you how to get started step by step. Okay, so the gauge is 4 rows of each color equals 4 inches. Okay, so let's get started. Now to get started, I'm going to double crochet in the 3rd chain from the hook. Now you're going to double crochet in the next 8 chains. You're going to work 3 double crochet in the next chain. Now you're going to double crochet in the next 9 chains. Now skip 2 chains and work a double crochet in the next 9 chains again. Now work 3 double crochet in that next chain. So that's the pattern. After the 3 double crochet, you're going to work a double crochet in the next 9 and then skip 2 chains and then a double crochet in the next 9 chains again, and then work 3 double crochet in the next chain. Just keep repeating that back and forth until the end. Double crochet in the last chain, and then you're going to chain 1, turn your work. Okay, double crochet in the next back loop, and then double crochet in the next 8, which is a total of 9 altogether. Work 3 double crochet in the center of those 3 previous double crochet, right in that back loop, right in that middle one. You're going to work 3 double crochet, and it's always right in that center one. So then all 3 double crochet go right into that center of the 3 double crochet. Now work a double crochet in the back loops of the next 9 stitches. Now skip 2 stitches and work a double crochet in the next 9 back loops. Now work 3 double crochet in the same stitch in the back loop. Now double crochet in the next 9 stitches in the back loop again. Okay, and you alternate between the two until you get to the end. The skip 2 and then the 3 double crochet after your 9 double crochet. At the end of row 2, you're going to leave a stitch unworked. So this stitch always gets unworked at the end of each row from now on. So when you continue on to the next row, you're just going to chain 1 and turn, and when you get to the end of your row, you're going to leave 1 unworked and stop and then turn. I did 4 rows of one color. You can do as many rows as you like of your colors. I alternated between 4 colors all together, and I'm going to add a new color, so this will be the next row of 4 rows. So I just pulled through and then a slip stitch and then a chain 1 and then turn, and then you just repeat your pattern the same exact way, and the pattern is listed down below if you need more assistance. So double crochet in the next back loop and then work 8 more double crochet in each of the next 8 double crochet, so you have a total of 9 altogether. work 3 double crochet in the same stitch, and then you're just going to work this pattern the same exact way as before. You can do 4 rows of one color or 6 rows or 8 rows, just depending on what you prefer. Okay, so this is how you do the pattern. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. At the end, weave in all your ends with your yarn needle to complete, just like the other Afghan that I did. Please subscribe.